How's it going, everybody? I'm just going to show you quickly or tell you how to clean your gutters. So I'm always busy, so I don't do this stuff when I should, and I kind of wait till it's almost a catastrophe. So my gutter here, I have to get some real long screws. Basically I'm going to use like real long ledger locks, because the nails that nail the gutters into the inner framing of this overhang is the nails just kind of pull out because of the weight. And this tree here lets out all of these. Let me see if I can find some. It looks like goose poop almost, but it's like these little puffy things. It looks pretty when it blooms, and then after that it's a big hunk of crap and just causes a lot of maintenance. But anyway, so you can see our gutters they're a mess, and that's going to be windows one day, that ugly holes in the garage. But anyway, so cleaning your gutters, I just used a small garden trowel to clean it out. Let me show you here. Let's see if I can see. Just to get up in there, found where it was leaking over the side, scraped it out, which you shouldn't do in the rain either, by the way. Lightning, all that fun stuff, slipping, it's dangerous. But it's the only time I'm free or kind of not busy. So cleaned all that out, and then as you go, you can't just clean out the clog. You got to follow it along. Follow the path that the water goes. And it came around, and it was from here. It was looking good, but then as you come down, it came around nice. But my downspout is right here, and it was starting to back up again right here. So I had to come around and clean all that out, get in there, and then even down here. So you got to follow it all the way to the end. So I'll show you here. Let me see if I can. I'm using the front of my phone. See how full that is? And that's not good either. I gotta move this around, drain this, make this drain better. My house should be the priority, but it's not right now. My house looks like garbage. But that's what you gotta do. You gotta make sure that it's clear all the way to the bottom. That's kind of the point that I'm trying to make right now, is don't just go to the problem area and fix the problem area and assume you're good. Follow it all the way down. So that's how you clean gutters in an emergency. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll keep having videos for you often. Thanks for watching. Bye.